a financial customer of ours. The largest deployment we've got is a company in Russia. And it was actually a bank that decided to create their own internal private AI cloud. And the decision came about when they noticed that there was a lot of this business IT, shadow IT. Yeah, so essentially, they noticed that all of this was going on. They had several hundred users that were doing something on GPUs, right? Doing something in deep learning, machine learning, whatever, using frameworks from here, there, and everywhere. They basically sent out an email survey, and we can talk about that to the length of the podcast itself. And they decided, wow, okay, so let's give them the best tools. Let's give them the best software, the best resourcing that we can get them so that they can actually start delivering on these projects sooner. Okay? Because if they can iterate, if they can basically throw all of their stuff on a wall, see what sticks and focus on the stuff that sticks, then they'll be more successful. So that then led to them buying a SUPERPOD. And that was, glorious. Obviously, NVIDIA had a big payday. We had a good payday. And, they've now decided to actually conceptually build that together as a private cloud, split off a new organization, and actually offer that resource out externally to then help resource it, to help research, to help other companies, to help their competition, maybe, to leverage and build AI successful projects. And then they realized these users that were coming to them were like, holy cow, this is so much power. I don't know how to use it. So they then built their own internal kind of consultancy practice, and that consultancy practice now works on behalf of the bank and behalf of their customers to help them leverage the system. And that is just, I was on a call recently about this and to talk about it a bit further. And oh man, I literally, my heart was just, it was growing. It was fantastic. And it's really, really sad, isn't it? When you sort of come from a world of, building PCs to building servers, to building appliances, to talking about cloud, talking about supercomputers and all that kind of stuff. I do get on. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but it's a nerd on. Okay,
the
may not
best
be
ones.
Okay, the best ones.
You don't have to show us. I think we get the picture.